Good afternoon, guys. The blessed man. Today, I want to show you how to partake from the Binance Airdrop and be able to share from $75,000 that's worth of airdrop that Binance is currently running. So, I just want to show you how you can partake from this. For you to partake from this, okay, let's start from if you open your Binance, you go to this scrolling here scrolling here. Okay, so when you get here, you click on this is it. Then $5,000 worth of airdrop to be shared in ADAS, SHIBA, and BNB. So, and this is running between this period of from the 23rd of July to the 6th of August. So for you to be eligible, you need to make a deposit, a fiat deposit of at least $50 or equivalent in local currencies, or you make a successful crypto purchase of at least $50 or equivalent in local currencies via buy cryptos with credit and debit card. So once you have been able to purchase about $50 worth of crypto, you can now come and take part in this airdrop. So you can see what is this airdrop. Say depending on the number of eligible users in the promotion, we will unlock a new tier level and increase the amount of airdrop price pool accordingly. When the total number of eligible users reaches 30,000, the total value of the price pool will increase to $75,000. You can see how it is. If they got 1,000 users between this period, they will give out $2,000. If they get 3,000, they will give out 6,000. 10,000, they will give out 25,000 watts. And then 20,000, they will give out 40,000 watts of airdrop. But if they hit 30,000, it will be $75,000 that will be shared in between these people. So so what you need to do now to take part of this, if you have purchased um if you have purchased crypto worth of $50, what you do is you come over to this place, you click on this icon here, you know, look at this ID here. There's a particular ID here. You just copy the ID, then go back to the place, go back to this. Okay, all right, so I will click on this, and then I will come here and click on this form here. I'll click on this form and fill this particular form. Okay, how to find the blah 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 blah. Okay, user ID, I will paste it here. This is my ID. Please tick I have deposited, at least I have made a crypto purchase of this. Yes, I'll just click on submit, and that's it. Your participation has been recorded. I will be waiting to see when they are going to distribute this airdrop. So this is how you can actually be part of this particular airdrop. Let's see what is going to happen. You can see if you go back there, if you go back to that place, you can see those who are eligible. If you see those countries that are eligible here, promotion only applies to users from Russia, Ukraine, Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Chile, El Salvador, South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Mauritius, blah 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 blah. You can check your country here and then see if your country is actually um, part of it, is excluding Germany, France, Italy, UK, and Netherlands because of their new rule about because of their new rule about using fiat on Binance. So, guys, you can try this out. I just as a Nigerian, I know that we are restricted from making purchases using our credit and debit card, but what I did was just to make a purchase of cryptocurrency worth of $50. Just checking out to see if I can partake from this. So, guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell icon, so that you can be notified anytime I drop any video. We give videos here that will teach you everything that you need to know about cryptocurrency, everything you need to know, and then how to make money online. So, guys, subscribe, share this video, like the video and share it, and then I'll see you in my next video when I'm going to be revealing more other things for you. Thank you very much. This is the Blessed Man.